If you're experiencing an Audit Timeout error on AuditBoard 2026, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to timeouts. Try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection if possible. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROC to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser. Outdated browsers may not be fully compatible with AuditBoard. Check for updates and install the latest version. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with web applications. Temporarily disable any extensions, particularly ad blockers or privacy tools, and see if that resolves the timeout issue. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to AuditBoard's customer support. Provide them with details about the issue, including any error messages to get more tailored assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the audit timeout issue effectively. If you continue to experience problems, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.